This is a dream smartphone that you can't buy. For the first time ever, I checked out a rollable screen phone which honestly looks magical. And no, this is not from Samsung or Oppo, this is actually from Motorola. They call it the Motorola Rizr, aka the concept phone with the rollable display. It was kind of mind-blowing to see a rollable phone working perfectly in real life, which is a sign that these next generation smartphones are not that far. So the rollable Motorola Rizr brings you this cute one-handed friendly small display. In its on-roll form, it features a 5-inch display, which is something that you just don't see on smartphone these days because every phone is just too big. But as soon as you press the button on the side, which is the trigger that tells the phone that now it's time to transform into a larger screen phone, so it expands vertically to a 6.5-inch display. The whole rollable process happened beautifully and quite smoothly. There was definitely a buzzing sound every time the display kind of expanded, so that was one thing to consider, but overall, it all looked really good. Now, the rollable screen worked hand in hand with the software as well. For example, if you're checking out an email and as soon as you press the compose button, the phone starts to expand into its larger display form, which is gonna be more comfortable when you're typing the email using the on-screen keyboard. Now, another cool usage is with the cameras. You can actually use the back cameras to take selfies, which is something we can do with the foldables as well, but this is a lot more practical and a bit faster the way it happens. And speaking of foldable, the biggest difference between a rollable smartphone and a foldable smartphone is that the rollable screens don't have that nasty crease in the middle. Instead, you get a full-on clean display experience. So my overall short hands-on experience with this one-of-a-kind dream rollable phone was quite stable and quite surprising. I can definitely see that this is going to be the future very soon. Obviously, there will be some durability concerns, so we still have yet to see something like this come to the market in the hands of masses, so we'll see how it's gonna go in the long run. By the way, if you're wondering about the display, it's a POLED screen made by BOE. So there we go, the dream rollable phone future is coming very soon. I have a question for you. Do you guys think if these rollable phones can replace a traditional flagship smartphone eventually? Let me know your thoughts about it in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.